Hello everyone, here we have a freeze unit. Um, Here the compressor is not on, so the superheat was around 7 or 8 and the subcool is around 7, so it's very good here. But when I try to see superheat here, I get around 43. I'm gonna show you a superheat. Maybe it's not working at the moment, so we're going to get here superheat. This shows minus 28, but when the compressor is working, it's around 43, minus 43. So what do you think is the problem here? Why superheat is not working?